Are you ready to elevate the performance and appearance of your pool or spa? Introducing Ramuc HB31 High Building Epoxy, the ultimate solution for long-lasting protection and stunning finishes. Whether it's concrete, plaster, or fiberglass, HB31's tough, durable formula delivers exceptional stain, chemical, and abrasion resistance, making it the go-to choice for both indoor and outdoor environments. With its easy application by roll or spray, HB31 covers up to 8 mils dry per coat, smoothing out rough surfaces with ease. And the result, a sleek satin finish that looks as good as it performs. Whether refreshing a previously painted surface or starting fresh, this epoxy offers excellent coverage rates, giving your pool or spa a like-new appearance. But it doesn't stop there. HB31's resilience means 2 coats can provide up to 8 years of service life, making it a superior choice, especially for spas where durability is key. Choose Ramuc HB31 and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with top-tier protection and a finish that lasts. Because when it comes to your pool, only the best will do. Ramuc, bringing life to your outdoor spaces.